Introducing the Mulucky Banjo, a beautifully crafted 5-string open-back banjo designed for musicians of all levels. Featuring a professional remote head with warm, retro tone and a stunning maple and ebony bridge, it delivers a mellow, softer sound perfect for intimate performances. The adjustable brackets ensure perfect tension, while the geared 5th tuner offers precise tuning. Complete with all essential accessories, this kit makes learning and playing and fun. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you're a banjo enthusiast, you will love the Yibuy 4-string banjo bridge. Crafted from durable ebony strip, this bridge offers a long lifespan and reliable performance. Its 3-legged design is both beautiful and practical, providing stability and clear tonal transmission for your music. With a size of 76.5mm by 5.5mm by 16mm and an opening spacing of 9mm, this bridge perfect for enhancing your 4-string banjo. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Mulucky 5-string banjo, your perfect companion for bright and percussive sound. Its 26-inch size makes it easy to learn, while the polyester drumhead offers quick response and rich tones. With chrome-plated tuning pegs and a complete beginner kit including picks, straps and replacement strings, you'll be strumming like pro in no time. Whether you're just starting out or seeking lively instrument, the Mulucky 5-string banjo is your choice. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Mulucky Banjolele, a 23-inch portable and lightweight instrument perfect for musical adventures. Its polyester drum skin and premium Italian Aquila strings deliver bright, punchy sounds while ensuring easy tuning with the high-quality closed-gear tuner. Designed for comfort, it features a smooth 12th fret and adjustable truss rod to suit your playing style. Made from durable saplewood with corrosion-resistant chrome fittings, Banjolele is ideal for beginners and seasoned musicians alike. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the ADM Banjo Kit, the perfect choice for beginners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. This kit features a high-quality remote drum head that delivers a sweet and clear sound ideal for fast finger-picking styles. Crafted from stunning black walnut and saplewood, it offers durability and beautiful grain. The geared 5th tuner ensures accurate tuning for classic country, folk, bluegrass, and even modern rock tunes. Plus, it comes with a thick and bag-free lessons and all the accessories you need. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Vangoa Banjo, your perfect companion for joyful music making. Crafted with a rich mahogany body and a climate-resistant rim, it delivers a warm, sweet tone suitable for all styles. Its beginner-friendly design features comfortable string action and portability, making it ideal for practice, travel, or jam sessions anywhere. With switchable open and close back options and a self-adhesive pickup, you can explore bluegrass all time, amplified performances effortlessly. Everything you need to start playing is included. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the 3rd Avenue Banjo, a fantastic 5-string bluegrass banjo perfect for beginners and guitar enthusiasts alike. Crafted with high-quality, durable materials, it delivers impressive sound projection and clarity. Equipped with a remote head and a nickel-plated tailpiece, this banjo offers excellent tone and reliability. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your collection, the 3rd Avenue Banjo is a superb choice. You'll find purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.